Hello again, this is Teacher Mary. So let's go to the next activity, which is comprehension questions, okay? So let me share my screen. Okay, so in your browser, type in www.bmreadingacademy.com. Then look for 7 Days Reading Challenge, Day 1. So right after you read this topic, let's move on to this activity. You can actually download this so you could have your own copy. Okay, you can also print it out. Then let your kids answer this. Okay, so day 1, going to the Zoom. So number 1, after you make your kids read this lesson, then go to answer the following comprehensive questions. So number 1 question is, where does she go? All right. Does she go to the mall, the zoo, or the park? So where this girl go? Where does she go? Okay. So if your answer is the park, then that is correct. Next, number 2. What does the lion do? Does the lion sleeps, jumps, or roars? All right. So the lion roars. Correct. Then, number 3. Which animal has a long trunk? A, rabbit. B, elephant. C, turtle. Which animal has a long trunk? If your answer is elephant, then you are correct. Let's move on to number 4. What does the gorilla eat? Okay, so does he eat carrot, banana, or apple? What does the gorilla eat? Does he eat carrot, banana, or apple? So if your answer is banana, then you are correct. Okay, next one. The final question, is the turtle fast or slow? Is he fast or slow? Okay, so the turtle is slow. That's right. So if those are your answers, then you got a perfect score. All right, so let's move on to the next activity, which is draw your favorite animal from the story. So try to draw here. Then another activity is, which is bonus. Can you name another animal you might see at the zoo? So write all the animals that you can possibly, sorry, this is wrong, that you can possibly see in the zoo. Okay, so write down here your answer. So that would be serve as your assignment. Again, this is Teacher Mary from BM Reading Academy. So see you in our next lesson and have a great day.